This post looks at the historical rate of progress in machine learning and extrapolates it forward to forecast the properties of large pre-trained ML systems in 2030. GPT-2030 will likely be superhuman at various specific tasks and will be able to be copied arbitrarily and run in parallel. Its copies will be able to share knowledge, allowing for rapid parallel learning. The model will accelerate many areas of research but also create serious vectors for misuse. Google is pressuring employees to come back to the office. It is making in-person office attendance part of employee performance reviews. Work done from home will not be viewed as favorably as work done from the office. Employees that have frequent absences will start getting reminders about office attendance. Google recently put its mega campus project in downtown San Jose, California, on hold. Mark Zuckerberg says that Apple's Vision Pro doesn't present any major breakthroughs in technology that Meta hadn't already explored and that the two companies had different visions for how people will use their headsets. The Quest aims to have people interacting in new ways and feeling closer while also being active and doing things. Apple's demos for the Vision Pro only show people using the device while sitting alone on a couch. The Quest 3's lower price tag will help the device reach a wider audience. Meta's upcoming Twitter competitor will be based on Instagram and integrate with ActivityPub. It will use Instagram's account system to automatically populate user information. Users will theoretically be able to take their accounts to other apps that support ActivityPub. Meta already has celebrities committed to using the app. Screenshots of the app are available in the article. Scientists have known for over a decade that cephalopods are able to edit large amounts of their RNA. A recent study showed that environmental changes can trigger RNA editing. Some octopuses and squids cope with cold water by editing their RNA to change the proteins they produce. Most of the editing occurs in the nervous system, likely to help their brains function as temperatures drop. Autocomplete is a JavaScript library that helps developers quickly build autocomplete experiences. It only requires a container to inject the experience into, data to fill the autocomplete with, and a virtual DOM solution. The library creates input and provides interactivity and accessibility attributes. Developers are in full control of the DOM elements to output. Large language models take text, convert it into tokens, then predict which tokens come next. Playing around with tokens is an interesting way to get a better idea of how the technology works. This article explores what tokens are, the different types of tokens that exist, and token quirks. A tool for converting text to tokens, tokens to text, and running searches against the full token table for GPT-2 is available. Default Composer is a JavaScript library that allows users to set default values for nested objects, which helps simplify programming logic and reduce the amount of code needed to set default values. The Apollo app for Reddit is shutting down due to the pricing for Reddit's new paid API model. While it is common in tech to receive stock as compensation, it can be a risky option, so workers should limit their exposure to what they are comfortable with. This article describes what it is like using Apple's new Vision Pro headset. The author spent 30 minutes using the headset in a temporary fieldhouse that Apple specifically constructed for the experience. While the experience of using the headset is reportedly amazing, it is yet to be seen whether it will be a compelling product. There is a huge potential for the Vision Pro across several use cases. Channels allows users to post text, photos, stickers, and polls to a feed with privacy controls. While AI automating mathematical theorem proving will be a major breakthrough, the technology could potentially be used for malicious purposes.